Namaste, my dear students of TDC Part 1 Chemistry Honors and Subsidiary both. I am Dr. Gajendra Prasad Singh, Head and Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, Jamnilal College, Hajipur, Vaishali, a constituent unit of BRA, Bihar University, Muzaffarpur. My dear students, I am going to discuss Frankland reagent, that is dialkyl zinc. First, I shall discuss preparation, then properties, physical properties, and then synthetic usage of Frankland reagent. Now I am going to start preparation of Frankland reagent. मेरे प्रिय छात्रों, फ्रैंकलैंड रिएजेंट जिसे हम डायल्काइल जिंक भी कहते हैं की तैयारी के बारे में हम बात करते हैं. When alkyl iodide is heated with zinc in an atmosphere of carbon dioxide, dialkyl zinc or Frankland reagent is formed. जब अल्काइल आयोडाइड को जिंक के साथ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के वातावरण में गर्म किया जाता है तो डायल्काइल जिंक या फ्रैंकलैंड रिएजेंट प्राप्त होता है. इट्स केमिकल इक्वेशन इज गिवन इन द नोट, दैट इज क्वाइट क्लियर. 2 molecules of ethyl iodide reacts with 2 atoms of zinc to give zinc, or by we can say dialkyl zinc and zinc iodide, that is 2C2H5i plus 2Zn on heating in an atmosphere of carbon dioxide gives Zn C2H5 whole 2 plus ZnI2. Here Zn C2H5 whole 2 is diethyl zinc, that is known as dialkyl zinc or Frankland reagent. This is about the preparation of Frankland reagent, that is dialkyl zinc. Now we come to discuss its physical properties. First is they are colorless heavy liquids. वे सभी रंगहीन भारी द्रव होते हैं. सेकेंड इज दे आर volatile and inflammable in air. Hence the necessity to use an atmosphere of carbon dioxide in the preparation. वे सभी काफी उड़नशील होते हैं और काफी ज्वलनशील होते हैं. हवा में काफी ज्वलनशील होते हैं तो इनकी तैयारी में यह आवश्यक हो जाता है कि इन्हें कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के वातावरण में तैयार किया जाए. Now we come to the third physical property, that is they have an unpleasant smell and burn the skin. इनका गंध जो होता है अच्छा नहीं होता है, अनप्लीजेंट होता है और ये जब चमड़े पर लगते हैं, स्किन पर जलन उत्पन्न करते हैं. These are the physical properties. Now we come to synthetic usage of dialkyl zinc. First is preparation of hydrocarbons having quaternary carbon. हम क्वाटरनरी कार्बन वाले हाइड्रोकार्बन की तैयारी फ्रैंकलैंड रिएजेंट से करते हैं. When tertiary alkyl halide or tertiary alkyl halide is heated with dialkyl zinc, neohydrocarbon is formed. जब टर्शियरी अल्काइल हैलाइड को डाइअल्काइल जिंक के साथ गर्म किया जाता है तो नियो हाइड्रोकार्बन प्राप्त होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टर्शियरी ब्यूटाइल क्लोराइड डाइमिथाइल जिंक के साथ गर्म किए जाने पर नियोपेंटेन देता है. CH3 plus CH3 on heating gives CH3 It is neopentane plus CH3ZnCl. Now we come to the second synthetic use, that is preparation of other hydrocarbons. दूसरे भी हाइड्रोकार्बन्स को डाइअल्काइल जिंक से तैयार किया जाता है. R2Zn reacts with H2O, C2H5OH, Ri, giving alkanes. डाइअल्काइल जिंक की प्रतिक्रिया जल से, इथाइल अल्कोहल से, अल्काइल आयोडाइड से कराने पर अल्केन्स देता है. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल ZnR2 plus 2 molecules of H2O gives 2 RH plus ZnOH. Here RH is alkane saturated hydrocarbon. Second is ZnR2 plus 2 molecules of ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH gives 2 molecules of RH, it is alkane, plus ZnOC2H5 and the third is ZnR2 plus 2 molecules of R-I gives 2 R bond R-, it is also alkane, plus Zni2. This is about the preparation of other hydrocarbons. Now we come to the third, preparation of ketones. When acid chloride is heated with dialkyl zinc and the product is hydrolyzed to give ketone. जब एसिड क्लोराइड की प्रतिक्रिया डाइअल्काइल जिंक के साथ कराई जाती है और जो प्रोडक्ट प्राप्त होता है उसका उसको हम हाइड्रोलिसिस करते हैं तो कीटोन प्राप्त होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एसिटाइल क्लोराइड CH3COO और CH3COCl, it is acetyl chloride, plus diethyl zinc, that is Zn C2H5 on heating gives addition product, and this on hydrolysis gives CH3CO C2H5. It is ethyl methyl ketone and C2H6 plus ZnOHCl. Here the main product is ethyl methyl ketone. Now fourth, preparation of alkyl halide. Franklin reagent reacts with iodine to form alkyl iodide. फ्रैंकलिन रिएजेंट की प्रतिक्रिया आयोडीन से कराने पर इथाइल आयोडाइड प्राप्त और अल्काइल आयोडाइड प्राप्त होता है. डाइइथाइल जिंक reacts with 2 molecules of iodine gives ethyl iodide and zinc iodide. ZnC2H5 plus 2I2 gives 2C2H5I, it is ethyl iodide, plus ZnI2, it is zinc iodide. Now we come to fifth, preparation of alcohols. When formaldehyde is heated with Franklin reagent and the product is hydrolyzed, primary alcohol is obtained. जब फॉर्मल्डिहाइड को फ्रैंकलिन रिएजेंट के साथ गर्म किया जाता है और जो प्रोडक्ट प्राप्त होता है उसका हाइड्रोलिसिस किया जाता है तो प्राइमरी अल्कोहल प्राप्त होता है. फॉर्मल्डिहाइड HCHO plus dimethyl zinc CH3ZnCH3 gives addition product, and this on hydrolysis gives CH3CH2OH, it is ethyl alcohol, plus ZNO plus CH4. This is about the preparation of primary alcohol. Now we come to the preparation of secondary alcohol. Other aldehydes react with dimethyl zinc to give secondary alcohols. Acetaldehyde CH3CHO plus dimethyl zinc, that is CH3 whole 2Zn, on heating gives addition product, and this on hydrolysis gives isopropyl alcohol. It is secondary alcohol, that is CH3 CHOH bond CH3 plus ZNO plus CH4. Now we come to third, that is preparation of tertiary alcohols. Ketones react with Franklin reagent to give 3-degree alcohols. Acetone CH3COCH3 plus dimethyl zinc, that is CH3 whole 2Zn, gives addition product, and this on hydrolysis gives tertiary butyl alcohol, that is CH3 whole 3 COH. It is tertiary butyl alcohol or tertiary alcohol plus ZNO plus CH4. This is the fifth. Now we come to the sixth, that is preparation of alkyls of less electropositive metals and of some nonmetals. Reaction with chlorides of less electropositive metals and some nonmetals results in the production of alkyls of those elements. Alkyls of less electropositive metals and of some nonmetals भी डाइअल्काइल जिंक से प्राप्त किए जाते हैं, जैसे डाई इथाइल जिंक, that is Zn C2H5 whole 2 reacts with less electropositive metal, that is HgCl2, that is mercury chloride, reacts to give diethyl mercury, that is C2H5 whole 2 Hg plus ZnCl2, and also diethyl zinc reacts with silicon tetrachloride, that is nonmetals. Here silicon is nonmetal. So diethyl zinc reacts with silicon tetrachloride, gives tetraethyl silane. It can be shown as C2H5 whole 2 plus Zn plus SiCl4 plus Zn C2H5 whole 2 gives C2H5 whole 4 Si. This is tetraethyl silane plus 2 ZnCl2. My dear students, now the seventh is Reformatsky reaction. सातवां जो है वो Reformatsky reaction है. This important reaction for the synthesis of alpha beta unsaturated acids esters is believed to involve intermediate organo zinc compounds. It consists in treating an alpha bromoester and decarbonyl compounds in presence of zinc. In Reformatsky reaction, when acetone is treated with alpha bromoester, that is ethyl bromoacetate, in presence of zinc in benzene medium, gives beta methyl crotonic ester, that is alpha beta unsaturated ester, that is acetone CH3COCH3 plus ethyl alpha bromoacetate, that is BrCH2COOC2H5 plus Zn in presence of Vn, gives CH3CH, CH3 double bond CH COOC2H5. It is beta methyl crotonic ester, and the mechanism of this reaction is given in the note. My dear students, it has a great value in preparing it has a great value in preparing beta hydroxy esters and their corresponding unsaturated esters, acids, it provides a valuable method for lengthening the carbon chain by 2 carbon atoms. Now it is about Franklin reagent. Thank you, my students.